Start your day with a spring in your step and a song in your heart with this classic twin bell alarm clock. This white dial with neon green lights is easy to read in the dark. The hands glow in the dark. Additionally, it has a touch-activated backlight. The alarm sound is the right sound to get you out of bed. The operation is simple. Just install 2 AA batteries into the back of the clock. The alarm shut-off is very simple. It is a protruding on and off switch. The backlight can be activated with a touch of the button. The red alarm hand makes setting the alarm easy and clear. This classic alarm will look great by any bed. As a clock manufacturer, we provide excellent pricing. If you would like to contact us, please call us at 310-598-7906 or reach us on the web at www.chaseclocks.com.